wrong food at a restaurant.
Excuse me, I think there is a mistake with my order.
I am sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I ordered chicken, but this looks like beef.
Oh, I am very sorry about that.
I cannot eat beef, I only eat chicken.
I understand. Thank you for telling me.
Can you please check my order?
Yes, I will check it right now.
Thank you, I was really looking forward to my meal.
I am very sorry for the mistake.
It is okay, but I hope it can be fixed soon.
Yes, we will fix it as quickly as possible.
Do I need to order again?
No, I will replace this dish for you.
That is good. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Please wait a few minutes.
How long will it take?
It will take about 10 minutes.
Okay, I can wait.
Thank you for your patience.
Can I keep this drink while I wait?
Yes, of course. Please enjoy your drink.
Thank you. The drink tastes very good.
I am glad you like it.
I hope the chicken will also be good.
Yes, our chicken is very popular.
That sounds great.
I will bring your new dish soon.
Thank you for your service.
You are welcome. We want you to enjoy your meal.
I appreciate your help.
It is my job to help you.
Here you are again. Is this my chicken?
Yes, this is your chicken. Please check it.
Yes, this looks correct. Thank you.
I am very sorry again for the mistake.
It is okay. I understand mistakes happen.
Thank you for your understanding.
The food smells very nice.
I hope you enjoy your meal.
I will try it now.
Please let me know if everything is okay.
The chicken tastes very good.
That is great to hear.
Thank you for fixing the problem quickly.
You are welcome. We are happy to help.
I will come here again in the future.
We look forward to seeing you again.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your meal.
Apologizing politely.
Hello, Mary. I am sorry I'm late today.
Hello, John. It is okay. What happened?
I missed the bus this morning.
I see. That can happen sometimes.
I feel bad for being late.
Do not worry too much about it.
Thank you for understanding.
You are welcome. Did you have a hard morning?
Yes, it was a bit stressful.
I am sorry to hear that.
I should have left home earlier.
It is okay. You can try again tomorrow.
I will be more careful next time.
That sounds like a good plan.
Also, I forgot to bring the report.
Oh, that is important.
I am really sorry about that.
It is okay. Can you send it later?
Yes, I will send it by email soon.
That will be fine.
Thank you for your patience.
No problem. I understand your situation.
I do not want to cause any trouble.
You are not causing trouble. It is okay.
I appreciate your kindness.
You are welcome. We all make mistakes.
I will try to improve my time management.
That is a great idea.
Thank you for giving me another chance.
Of course. Everyone needs a chance sometimes.
I promise I will do better.
I believe you will do well.
I feel better after talking to you.
I am glad to hear that.
Please let me know if I need to fix anything else.
I will let you know if needed.
Thank you again for your support.
You are always welcome.
I will start working now.
That is good. Have a productive day.
I will try my best today.
That is all we can ask for.
Thanks for being so understanding.
It is no problem at all.
I am lucky to work with you.
That is very kind of you to say.
Have a nice day, Mary.
You too, John.
See you later.
See you. Take care.
At immigration.
Hello, please come forward.
Hello, good morning.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here is my passport.
Thank you. What is your full name?
My full name is Mary Smith.
Where are you coming from?
I am coming from Thailand.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for a holiday.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 5 days.
Where will you stay during your visit?
I will stay at a hotel in the city.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I have a return ticket.
Can you show it to me, please?
Yes, here it is on my phone.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Did you pack your luggage yourself?
Yes, I packed it myself.
Are you carrying any food or liquids?
No, I am not carrying any food or liquids.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I do not have anything to declare.
Have you visited this country before?
No, this is my first time.
Do you have enough money for your stay?
Yes, I have enough money.
What places do you plan to visit?
I want to visit parks and museums.
That sounds nice. Do you speak English well?
I speak a little English.
That is okay. You are doing well.
Thank you very much.
Please look at the camera for a photo.
Okay, I am ready.
Thank you. Please place your finger here.
Okay, I will do it now.
All done. Everything looks good.
That is good to hear.
I will stamp your passport now.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to our country. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. I am very happy to be here.
Please follow the signs to the exit.
Okay, I will follow the signs.
Have a nice day.
You too, have a great day.